After 57 videos and lots of editing, I'm proud to announce that the Sheeran Looper X course is ready. It's available to purchase right now. All of these videos are not on YouTube, and we go right from unboxing it to some really advanced setups. Now, whilst I was building the course, I had a 40% discount, and that discount has now gone. And I've been emailed by a couple of people who do want the course, but they just weren't ready for it yet. So to celebrate the launch, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 20% discount. The 40% has gone, and I did say it would go, but we're not going to stop there because we're going to do 20% discount off the whole site. That means you're going to get 20% of the RC500 course, the RC600 course, How to Loop Like a Pro, and now the Sheeran Looper X course. The Sheeran Looper X course has been a labour of love and also some discovery on my part as well, and there's one feature in particular to do with the effects that changes the game. So I thought I'd take you behind the scenes and dive you into the course itself and show you what you're going to get. Right from when you log in, there's a big start here, and that's a video just showing you how to get around the course and how I've laid it out. On the left hand side you can see the menu. So we've got the introduction to the Sheeran Looper X. This is a little bit like orientation, but in there is one which is JP01 My Preset. So I've built a preset for the Sheeran Looper X to give you, so you can have it, you can download it, play with it, use it. We use that preset a lot in the course, so it's worth having. Then we've got performance and a performance breakdown. So I show you what's called the mute workflow, which is kind of Ed Sheeran's workflow. Then I perform one of my songs called Boss Castle, and then we break it down, show you step by step how I used it, including the settings, the effects, and everything. Then we get into using the Sheeran Looper X, what is fast mode with record, dub, play, and then there's an episode called the one mic loop setup. I actually use one microphone, and Ed Sheeran uses two microphones, one that's dedicated to the looper. So there's 4 different ways I want to show you how to use the Sheeran Looper X with different mic setups. Then we go into the 5 looper modes and also how to save your loops. Next is routing your inputs or your loops, or as it's called, tracks, the live signal, which is really important, and then of course your output routing, where is everything going. Then we get into that glorious touchscreen, a little bit more about the main menu. You got the perform menu, the setup menu, and then I just picked a couple of things out that I think are quite important. So you got the loop settings menu, customizing the pedal menu, and then the global settings. And there's 2 big chapters all about the function button. The function button can do multiple things. As you can clearly see here, there's the tuner. We go through the entire effects system, loading, saving, peeling, speed, backing track, transpose. It's all there inside functions A and functions B. Next, we have MIDI and understanding the MIDI on the Sheeran Looper X, as well as controlling it with a MIDI pedal and also controlling it with an iPad. And I've built something for you in that lesson for you to keep, and it's really useful. We then talk about the storage, internal and of course external, how to transfer stuff in and out and how to back it up, and then we round up with updates and feedback. Now regarding feedback, I've had a couple of questions already, and I'm already planning to add more videos to this course. I want this to be the Sheeran Looper X Bible. So if you're planning on getting one, or you already have one and you just want to figure it out a little bit deeper, then it's available on my website, johnpaulmusic.co.uk. There you'll find the 4 courses that I've got available at the moment. And to get the 20% off, all you need to do is use a code. And the code is July 2025. That'll get you 20% off any of those 4 courses, including How to Loop Like a Pro, which is already just $48. That brings it down to $38.40 if my maths are correct. And then you've also got the RC500, the RC600 course, as well as the Sheeran Looper X. Thank you very much to those who pre-bought the Sheeran Looper X course, and you've been waiting, and of course it's now out. So I hope it's helping you along the way. And this is also where I'm getting some feedback to then add more videos into the course. If you are just starting your journey about looping, have a look at How to Loop Like a Pro. As I say, it's under $40 now with that 20% off. By the way, you'll probably guess with the code July 2025, it means it's going to end at the end of July 2025. And now on my website, what you can do is you can gift a course. So maybe you want to buy it for someone else. Now, if you haven't seen my video about the Sheeran Looper X, go and watch it, because I actually ignored it to begin with when it very first came out, and I was wrong.